Most people get this wrong. They think all sleep tracking apps are the same. But the surprising truth is that Pillow goes beyond simple sleep logs. Whether you want to improve your sleep quality or understand your patterns, Pillow offers detailed insights that many users overlook. Pillow is an iOS app that tracks your sleep automatically using your Apple Watch or iPhone. You won't believe what happens next. The app not only records the duration of your sleep, but also breaks it down into light, deep, and REM cycles. This allows you to see which stages you're missing and where you can improve. Using Pillow is simple. Just enable automatic sleep tracking, wear your Apple Watch, or place your iPhone on your mattress. In the morning, you get a clear report showing your sleep efficiency, heart rate trends, and even a sleep score for easy understanding. There's also an option for audio recordings to detect snoring, sleep talking, or disturbances. One standout feature is the smart alarm. Pillow can wake you during the lightest sleep phase within a selected window, making waking up feel easier and more natural. Additionally, the app integrates with Apple Health, so you can see your sleep alongside other health metrics like activity, mindfulness, or heart rate trends. There are some limitations. The full range of features requires a subscription, and accuracy can vary depending on your device and sleep environment. For example, if your phone is far from your bed or your watch isn't snug, tracking may be less precise. In conclusion, Pillow is a strong choice if you want detailed insights and smart alarms for better sleep. It's ideal for iPhone and Apple Watch users who want to understand their sleep cycles, track trends, and wake up feeling refreshed. Subscribe for more honest app reviews that help you make informed decisions before downloading or subscribing.